Good morning, kids. Myself Priyanka Kataria from Samarpan Gyan School. I'm teaching in nursery class. So today I will teach you about standing line. Look at here, standing line and slipping line. The line, this straight line is called standing line, and this line is called slipping line. Next page, here you have to trace the standing line with the crayons color. With the crayons color you have to trace the standing line and here slipping line. Okay, I'll explain you more about standing line and slipping line. Kids, do you see the rain? How the rain is coming? The rain is coming like this, straight. So the rain coming this way, this line is called straight line. It is also called standing line. Okay. Now I explain you about the slipping line. How to draw slipping line? Look at here. There is one boat here. And the fisherman was sitting here in the boat. He wants to sail the boat in the water, but there is no water here. So we draw here water with the help of the slipping line. So the fisherman can now sail the boat easily. Okay. One more example I'll give you. Look at here. This is thumb printing standing line. Dip your thumb in red watercolor and imprint on the standing line. Next page, all this activity is given. How to do this activity? First, take a dish, a watercolor, whatever color you like. We take here red color. In the next, we have to dip the thumb in that watercolor. Then take a print over here and we draw standing line. So we can learn more about the standing line. Same way here, activity for slipping line. Balloon dabbing slipping line. Dip the balloon in red watercolor and dab it into the slipping line. Next page, the activity, how to do this activity is given. First, we have to take one dish and one color, and we have to dip the ball into that colors and take a print over here and draw slipping line. Okay. One more example I give you about the slipping line and standing line. So kids, look at here. I am drawing one house here. And the boy was standing here. He looked at the house, and he wants to go inside the house, but there is no door in the house. So what we do? We can draw a door with the help of this standing and slipping line. So first of all, we draw here one standing line here, another standing line here. Now we join both the line with slipping line. So the door is completed. Now the boy go inside the house, but there is no window. So how the wind comes to the house? So here we can draw two window with this both slipping line and standing line. Standing line here, one standing line here, here slipping line, slipping line. So one window is completed. Or we can draw another window here also. Standing line, slipping line, slipping line. So the house is completed. Now the boy easily go to the house and okay. Now next we learn standing and slipping line. Here one activity is given. Tick the standing line. Here you have to recognize the standing line and tick. In the next page, tick the slipping line. Here you have to tick the slipping line.